This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sarah Garrigues-Jones. Seller extremely motivated. New roof will be installed after inspections, appraisal and before closing. Immaculately maintained 3-bedroom 2-bath saltwater pool home in Buckingham East that sits on 0.76 acres of beautifully landscaped and manicured lawn and foliage. Outdoor lighting on home and front walk. The open floor plan, which is perfect for entertaining, flows seamlessly from living/dining to family/kitchen. Beautiful fieldstone fireplace has space above for a TV, and you can hide all the cables in the mantle. Fireplace has chimney but was converted to gas. The breakfast bar allows for casual meals. Family area looks out onto the covered lanai and oversized pool. Living room is wired for speakers. Laundry hookups in the garage, but indoor laundry is almost complete. Bring your handy person to finish it up. There is a screened-in patio off the primary suite that also overlooks the pool and beautiful backyard. There are 2 sheds in the backyard, one with electric. All low-E windows and sliders plus extra attic insulation make for lower utility bills. The HVAC was replaced in 2017 with all new ductwork. Gas water heater 2018. New garage door 2021, guest bath was completely renovated in 2021. Home was repiped from the street throughout the home in 2018. The septic was last pumped in 2022, updated salt cell for pool, garage ceiling was replaced recently. All dates to be confirmed by buyer. For more information, review the details below.